Good morning, guys. This is Jason from J.R.Hardwoodfloor Refinishing and Cleaning. Today we are here in Denver, Colorado, in a house who belongs to Mr. Red. I came here 3 weeks ago and I did an estimate to do full sanding or do a screen and recall. After I send the customer a few pictures, the difference between a screen and recall and full sanding. Of course, he decided to go with full sanding because, to be honest, the floor is what he needed because it is in really bad shape. So, but I could make it look better because he's preparing the house to be sold in this summer. So anyway, this house is around 800 square feet of red oak. We already started to do the sanding process with different area with the power drive and the big machine. But yeah, guys, it's what are we gonna be today. I'm gonna flip it off the camera to show you guys exactly how the floor looks like. Okay, guys, like I said, look at this, a cloudy, raining day here in Denver. But anyway, let me show you what are we gonna be doing today. It's a red oak that the owner Greg, he's preparing to sell this house this summer. So he wants to make it look very, very nice. So yeah, this is it. 3 rooms, a hallway, the entrance right here, and the dining and living room in this area. Alright, guys, stay tuned and see the process and the result.
Okay, guys, this is the partial result. We already sand everything, vacuum, clean, and now look at this floor. It's ready to apply the sealer as a first coat, and then two more coat of finish, and you will see the final result, the beauty of this floor when we finish. All right, guys. So stay tuned. Continue watching the video, the progress, and see the final result.
Alright, guys, I'm back here to show you the final result, and look at this transformation. Looks amazing. Look at this, the quality of this job. No any company is gonna give you this kind of quality. Is what I call tabletop finish. Look at this, beautiful. Right here, or the entrance, the hallway, and 3 rooms. And look at this quality. Oh wow, looks amazing. The customer is so happy about the result. So guys, yeah, this is what are you gonna get from J.R. Hardwood Floor Refinishing and Cleaning. When you do a full sanding job, please contact us 720-327-1127. and we can give you an estimate to do this one or any other kind of service that we offer to the customers. All right, guys, stay tuned and see you next time.